Good morning. Today's Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. You should have completed your math, and we are moving on to language. Today we are doing one page, and that is page 302 in your language packet, so go ahead and pull that out. Okay, let's look at Think A. It says draw a line under each word that should be capitalized. The second direction is place punctuation marks where they are needed. So the first direction is draw a line under each word that should be capitalized. Then place your punctuation marks where they are needed. Number 1, Julia, don't you have a parakeet, a goldfish, or a hamster? Asked John. Hey, let's find our capitalized words. Good. Julia and John should be underlined because they should have a capital letter, because that is their name. You capitalize names. Now let's look at the punctuation marks in this sentence. John is asking a question to Julia, so we are putting quotation marks around what is being asked. So open quotation marks, Julia, comma, don't. The word don't is missing an apostrophe in between the N and T. Julia, don't you have a parakeet, comma, a goldfish, comma, or a hamster, question mark, end of quote? Asked John, period. Number 2, Julia said, no, but I have a puppy. What word needs to be capitalized? Good. Underline the word Julia. And what other word? Good. The word no. Julia said, comma, beginning quote, no, comma, but I have a puppy, period, end of quote. What other word needs to be capitalized? The word I. We always capitalize the word I. Okay, for Think A, you will complete 3 through 7. Let's look at B. Think B. Write the names of the parts of the letter on the lines. Draw a line under each word that should begin with a capital letter. Place commas where they are needed. So first, you're going to look at the parts of the letter. Remember, you have a heading, greeting, body, the closing, and then the signature. You will put those on 1 through 5 correctly. Then you're going to look at your letter in the yellow box, and you're going to underline the word if it should begin with a capital letter, and then place commas where they belong. Think C, you're going to circle all words which should be capitalized. Not underline. What do the directions say? Circle all words which should be capitalized. Okay, that is what you're doing for language today, is page 302. When you have finished that, for history today, you are going to take out your quiz 36 notes. These can be found on page 302 and 306. So for history today, you're going to complete quiz 36 notes, and they can be found on page 302 and 306. Now for spelling today, you're going to write your vocabulary words only 1 time each. Okay, so for spelling today is vocabulary words 1 time each. For reading today, your assignment is to read pages 143 through 156. Hasty Pudding. Again, your reading assignment is pages 143 through 146. We'll see you back tomorrow.